Great news for all bank job aspirants. RBI Grade B 2024 notification is out. Total number of posts announced 94. Very fair chance that the number 94 may go up at the time of final selection. Then, this is the most sought after bank job by many bank job aspirants. Most challenging work environment, good supportive HR, and the way the decisions you make by after joining this RBI will definitely make the economy and financial stability. It will be towards economy and financial stability of the country, which will give you satisfaction, and the most importantly, good pay package. The starting salary is 1,22,000 gross salary without HRA. So it is a very decent amount to start with. Now, very quickly look at the details of the notification. We will look at important dates, tentative vacancies, eligibility criteria, exam pattern, how to apply, and application fees. Online registration and payment of fee from 25th July to 16th August. Don't wait till the last date. There may be some server issues, so apply. If you have decided to write the exam, apply immediately. Then we have officers in grade B, DR stands for direct recruitment, general. Officers in grade B, DEPR, Department of Economic and Policy Research. Then officers in grade B, DSIM, Department of Statistics and Information Management. Here all the three exams, if you look at the exam dates, all these three posts we have phase 1 and phase 2 exams. Phase 1 exam for general grade B positions, 8th September is phase 1, 19th October is phase 2. And grade B in DEPR, phase 1 14th September, phase 2 26th October. Then DSIM, Department of Statistics and Information Management, phase 1 14th September, phase 2 26th October. You observe this? A student can apply for grade B general, and you are eligible to apply for either of these posts, either DEPR or DSIM, not both. You can apply general and one among DEPR and DSIM. Right, friends. Let us look at the number of posts. Officers in grade B general we have 66 posts, DEPR we have 21, DSIM we have 7, total 94 posts. Now, once you join as a grade B officer, what are your roles and responsibilities? You will be responsible for keeping a tab on inflation. You will be responsible for formulating the policies or regulations such that you can strengthen the financial sector of the country. You will be responsible for what you call currency notes and the coins. You will take decisions to remove the currency notes or the coins which are unfit for circulation. You will be advising the government of India for designing a better currency notes with advanced security features. You will be advising the central government and state government. You will be taking care of the accounts of central government and state government. You will be advising central government and state government for better cash flow management. Then you will be formulating the policies for external trade and payments, foreign investments in India, Indian investments in what you call foreign. Then you will be responsible for designing the most modern, robust, efficient, secured payment system. Challenging role, students. That is why this is the most sought after post by many bank job aspirants. Right? Let us look at few more details in the notification. Now, eligibility criteria. As on 1st July 2024, 21 to 30 years. Education qualification, if you can look at, we are talking about the general category, grade B general category positions. Graduation in any discipline or equivalent technical professional qualification with 60% marks, or PG in any discipline, equivalent technical or professional qualification with 55%, graduation with 60% any discipline, or PG any discipline with 55% marks. Right? Then officers grade B in DEPR, master's degree in economics or finance with 55% marks from a recognized university. In DSIM, that is Department of Statistics and Information Management, and the department name says statistics, you should have a master's degree in statistics, mathematical statistics, statistics and informatics, and you applied statistics and informatics, and mathematical economics, mathematics, data science, artificial intelligence, machine language, big data with 55% marks. Or you should be a 4-year bachelor, you should have a 4 years bachelor's degree with 60% marks in data science, artificial intelligence, machine language, big data analytics from a recognized university, or a post-graduation diploma in business analytics with 55% marks from a recognized university. All these are for your statistics and information management posts. Let us look at selection process and exam pattern. General category, phase 1 followed by phase 2. These are 2 written tests and interview. Officers in grade B, DEPR, phase 1, phase 2 and interview. In DSIM also we have phase 1, phase 2 and interview. Now if you look at general category phase 1, we look at the details of these posts now. These are of these phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 exams now. Phase 1 exam, we have general awareness, English language, quantitative aptitude, reasoning, total 200 questions, section wise questions not given, but more or less the number of questions will be similar to what was given last year and before last year. So the 200 breakup, if you look at the last year, will be 60 questions from reasoning, 30 questions from quant, 30 questions from English, and general awareness we have 80 questions. Cumulative duration of 120 minutes. That is 200 questions, we have 120 minutes, 2 hours. Right? Section wise cutoffs will be there. You have to be careful, students. But the marks obtained in phase 1 are only qualifying in nature. Right? That is to call you for phase 2. Now officers in grade B, phase 2. General category, phase 2. We have paper 1, paper 2, paper 3. Paper 1, economic and social issues. Paper 2, English writing skills, we can call it as a descriptive writing. Paper 3, general finance and management. Now if you see here 50% objective, 50% descriptive in paper 1. Objective you have 30 minutes, descriptive you have 90 minutes. 50 marks objective, 50 marks descriptive. Then English writing skills descriptive 90 minutes, 100 marks. Paper 3, general finance and management, objective 50% questions, 30 minutes, 50 marks. 50% questions descriptive, 90 minutes and 50 marks. Right? This will be this economic and social issues and general finance and management syllabus clearly given in the notification. Kindly go through the syllabus. The level of the questions here asked will be of your graduation level, students. Right? Phase 2. Then a few important points. Paper 1 and paper 3. If you see here, this one, paper 1 and paper 3. Here, objective questions, 50% objective, 50% descriptive. 50% objective, there will be 30 questions with 50 marks. Variable marking scheme. Few questions carry 2 marks and few carry 1 mark. That's what I am talking about, variable. All questions do not carry equal marks. There is variable marking scheme. Then in case of descriptive writing, you need to attempt total 4 questions. Total 6 questions will be asked. You need to attempt 4 questions. 2 questions of 15 marks and 2 questions of 10 marks. If you attempt more than 4 questions in the exam, then the first 4 will be considered. Please keep that point in mind. Generally, we have an habit of writing additional questions, but only the first 4 will be, not the best 4. The first 4 will be considered. Please keep that point in mind. Candidates will be shortlisted for the interview based on marks obtained in paper 2. That is phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3 together. Interview is for 75 marks. For details of DEPR, DSIM exams, phase 1, phase 2 and interview, please refer the notification. Now look at how to apply. You can apply online from the official website www.rbi.org.in from 25th July to 16th August. Before you apply, please have this handy. These should be according to the dimensions and directions mentioned in the notification. Scan photograph, your scanned signature, left thumb impression, declaration form, and official working email ID. All future correspondence will be made to this email ID. So please have an email, already have an email ID, give that, or create a new email ID, and which you have to use. All future correspondence will be made to that email ID. If you look at application fee, for SC, ST and PW candidates, it's only intimation charges, 100 rupees. For all other categories, it is 850 rupees. Now, if you are applying for general, it is 850. Then I told you, you can apply for general post. Then you can also apply either of those DEPR or DSIM. Again, you have to pay the fees twice. One for general, one for either of those DEPR or DSIM. You have to apply 2 times. That point you have to keep in mind. Then online classes provided by Time. So here we have the link. We are giving these links in the description boxes also for online classes. We have live classes. We have online recorded classes. We have test series. We have correspondence courses. For all these, you can visit the website timeforeducation.com, or direct link is t4e.info/bank-ssc-online. This link is given in the description box. For classroom coaching, please contact your nearest time center. We are spread across the country, so please search for the nearest time center. You can drop in and get enrolled for this bank exam preparation. Then students, subscribe to our social media channels. We are present everywhere in the social media. We are there in the Telegram, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp channels. In all our channels, this is our social media handle. You can search us by typing time for bank exams. Right? So for all latest information on notifications, results, exam patterns, how to prepare, different kinds of webinars, subject videos, please do subscribe to our social media channels. The link to subscribe to our social media channels is given in the description box. From Time, we wish you all the very best for your upcoming bank exams. All the best, students.